safety training seminars in Bakersfield. If you need to take your CPR and or first aid classes, you can take them here. There's a private parking lot in the back of the building. The address is 2116 24th Street. Safety training seminars is in suite number 2. So make your way around the building here. You'll see the logo for safety training seminars on the windows. Again, if you need your CPR and first aid skills testing for the American Heart Association, the address is 2116 24th Street, suite number 2, with safety training seminars. So you'll enter the code that was given to you on the door here. And once you come inside, there's 2 different rooms that you can select. You can choose any one of the stations. You'll have all the equipment that you need here to take your CPR and first aid skills test. All the equipment's at the bottom bin here. So we'll also cover the bleeding and bandaging, use of the AED, and the use of the EpiPens.